This is the dumbbell deadlift. Deadlifts are great for your hamstrings. Now this exercise can be done improperly, and I see it all the time as a personal trainer, so I'm going to show you how you can navigate it and do it right. Take some dumbbells, medium to heavy weight. You're going to have your feet hip width apart, so we're going to go to the side just like this. And then what we're going to do is make sure we have our ABCs, our abs tight, bring the shoulder blades back, C, chest up. That's the ABCs of correct form on your upper body. And then we're going to take the weights and make sure these dumbbells lower slowly across the top of your quads, coming down to your shin. You're going to hinge at the hip, stop wherever your body will allow you to go. Everyone's level of flexibility is different. So some can go down more, some may be right here. You're going to squeeze the glutes, slowly come back up. Make sure you have great form. I don't want to see you do this. This is what I don't want you to see you do. This is not a dumbbell deadlift. This is a dumbbell deadlift. Straight back, hinge at the hips, glutes out, and then squeeze your glutes, come back up. You want to make sure you do this slow and controlled. The heavier you go, the more controlled you need to make the deadlift, because you can actually hurt yourself. But once you master the deadlift, you'll have some great hamstrings, and that is the dumbbell deadlift.